Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute notifications from Threads app on mobile. So first tap to your profile and then tap to this two light to go to the settings and then choose notifications, and then we can choose pause all for 15 minutes or even 8 hours. Or if you want to turn off it, just go to the settings of your phone and then choose notifications and then choose the Thread apps and then turn it off in the allow notification section like this. That's it. Thank you for watching and I hope this video is helpful.